Hello, today we are going to study the life cycle of frog, cockroach and butterfly. So first of all, we will be looking on the life cycle of a frog. We all know the female frog produces eggs in the water body and which is known as tadpole, and the egg mass which is given or which is produced by the female adult frog is known as spawn. You can also call this as spawn of egg. Once the egg is produced in water, then the egg changes into tadpole. By the help of these gills, they can breathe in water. After few weeks, the tadpole grows legs and their tail becomes shorter and shorter, and finally they disappears, and their young frog which then changes into adult frog, and the adult frog breathe through the help of their lungs and by their moist skin, which we all know that. When it is in water, when it is on land, then it breathes through lungs, but when it is in water, then it breathes through moist skin. So this is the life cycle of a frog, and this is how again this female adult frog will give the egg spawn, and then afterwards it will be again changed into tadpole. After tadpole, it changes into tadpole with legs, and then it changes into young frog and then to adult frog. So this is a life cycle of a frog. Now let us move on to the life cycle of a cockroach. As we know that all insects lays eggs. Different insects have different stages of life cycle. So here we are going to study about the 3 stages of cockroaches. Cockroaches lays egg, which you can see in this figure. The baby of the cockroach hatches out of the egg, which is just like an adult, but it is smaller in size, which is known as nymph. So these are nymph, which is just the shorter form of the adult cockroach. This is the adult cockroach, and this is how the nymph looks like. So this is the life cycle of a cockroach, and the process by which these young cockroaches shed their old skins several times before they changes into adult cockroach. So that process is known as molting. So there are 3 stages of life cycle in a cockroach. Egg, then it changes into nymph, and then nymph changes into adult cockroach. So this is a very live example I have presented in front of you, where this is the egg, the first stage, and this is very common nymph, where we all know that these small cockroaches are very similar to the adult one. So they keep on shedding their wings, and then what happens? As a result, they grow into this adult cockroach. Shedding of the old skin is called molting. Shedding of the old skin is called molting. Butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. A female butterfly lays cluster of eggs on the surface of the leaf. So this is how the cluster of eggs look like, and then this cluster of egg is changes, or the egg hatches, and then from it a young worm known as larva come off it. That is the young worm, which is also known as larvae. So this worm which comes out is known as larva, and the larva of a butterfly is called as caterpillar. In general, you can say that young worm of any insect is known as larvae. So here the larvae of a butterfly is known as caterpillar. Then this caterpillar feeds on the leaves. They continuously eat the leaves and then it grows faster and it covers itself in the case of chrysalis, which is known as pupa. And then inside this chrysalis, this pupa undergoes several changes. Several changes are seen, are observed inside this pupa, and then as a result it converts into adult butterfly. So this is the closer view of butterfly which we can see here. So this is the egg and then these are the small larvae worms which is known as caterpillar. They feed on the leaves, they are eating the leaves and then they are covering themselves in a chrysalis, and as a result which is known as pupa, then what happens? In this pupa several changes are seen. Then as a result we get the adult butterfly, and then adult butterfly comes out of it. So the larvae of a housefly is known as maggot. The larvae of a mosquito is known as wriggler, and we have studied the larvae of a butterfly is known as caterpillar. Okay, so my dear children, this was all 3 life cycle of frog, cockroaches and butterflies. Thank you very much.